let's get started. My lye, I have pre-measured out my lye. Inside my container here, I have my coffee and some sugar that's already melted. So to help curtail the smell, because it gets pretty bad, I also have some coffee here, which I froze. I'm going to put a few in here. Add a little bit of water here, just a tiny bit. A little hotter than I want it to be. So what I am going to do, I'm going to take this, I'm going to sit it in a cold place for a few minutes. So I am back, and the water has, the coffee lye water has cooled enough for me to continue. So in my pot here, I have my melted oils and butter. Also, I have my rosemary antioxidant in here. I did it beforehand. Okay. Not good. I'm gonna keep stirring. I'm gonna whisk and stir. And it's already at a really, really thick trace, which does not make me happy, but I do have a slight water discount here. But that is a beautiful brown color. It went into trace so fast, I was like, I'm stunned. Hey, I think we got it pretty well stirred in here. I'm just gonna keep mixing up a little bit. I don't want to wind up having oil pockets in my soap. This one, and let's put it in there. Get it in there. Super, super thick. Let this stuff sit for a while before I try and clean it up. It is the ultimate mess, but this is my coffee soap. So let's see what happens when it's time to unmold. A little better. These are a few that there was no issue in putting the soap in the mold. It broke a little bit, but these are lovely. You can. This is one of the beginnings of me starting to have issues with the soap being so thick. Again, so far it's good. These also come out the mold pretty fast. There's no issue. This one here, as you can start to see, there's trouble. Oil leakage. In this state, this is not sellable. However, this can be fixed. Take this out of here. Oil leakage, oil leakage. Another one. Here. I left this in the mold for several days because when I saw the oil leakage at the very beginning, when I took a peek, I'm like, well, let it sit a couple days and see what happens. But still in all, plus I'm not happy with all the cracks. So what I am going to do to remedy my problem, I'm going to take take the soap. I am going to shred it and do it as a rebatch. I'm trying to decide if I want to do the rebatch as a 10% or a 20% soap embed. I know I definitely going to do it I know I am definitely going to do it hot process. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. This is Vanessa from Degania Aromatics, natural products for the 3 dimensions of you. You are spirit, you have a soul, you live in a body that is fearfully and wonderfully made.